Hi, my name is Mayuresh Kothari. I am going to be the Technical Director for Middle East, Turkey and Africa at Secureworks. So two reasons. The first one is the platform and the vision. And to explain that, let me go back a little bit. When Secureworks started building this platform when it comes to Open XDR, our vision was to have this vendor agnostic cybersecurity tool which would allow for logs to be or data to be ingested without any limitations. Even when we were thinking of a name for this tool, we called it the threat detection and response. Remember, this is before XDR as a term itself was coined. Now what this means is that we were pretty much in sync with what the industry and the organizations of that time were heading towards. So we've stayed true to that vision. But one thing that I've noticed in the past few years is that a lot of the original sort of organizations that got onto this bandwagon have veered away or diverged from this Open XDR vision, but not Secureworks. We've continued to build and develop that, and today we have this fantastic platform that is called Tejas XDR that allows us to deliver that Open XDR vision. Now that's reason number one. Reason number two is obviously people and culture. And Secureworks has always had some of the smartest people in cybersecurity working globally. Here in the Middle East, we are building a team that works towards community, inclusivity and teamwork, not just amongst ourselves, but with our partners and customers as well. And I want to build and develop that and continue doing that. Sure, to understand our vision, we first need to look at what we are trying to solve, right? So the key problems for our customers today can be solved with the combination of technology and human intelligence. That is key. And what I mean by that is not everything can be done from a technology standpoint only, and not everything can be solved by humans only. So which is where our platform comes into picture. The other aspect of it is also our learnings from the past 20 plus years of delivering managed security outcomes. What that means is that for the past 20 years, we have taken these learnings and understood how we can build that into our platform itself. Things like, complexities when it comes to operationalizing a SIM, or the difference between ticketing and triaging. And we've taken this learning and engineered it into our platform itself that allows us to deliver those outcomes far more effectively. So what we have today is this Open XDR vendor agnostic platform, which can take anything from your network, your IT stack, your OT stack, your cloud, your vulnerability information, and give you these effective measurable security outcomes. So that's what has got me excited about Secureworks' vision. That's a great question. Obviously, with the advent of ChatGPT and OpenAI and other security vendors bringing in tools like Copilot from Microsoft, generative AI has come to the forefront of the conversations. But I think when it came to Secureworks, we took it a step further, and even when we are building our platform, we decided that AI needs to be integrated natively instead of being a bolt-on. We also are of this philosophy that the right tool for the right job. So we can't just think of AI and apply it to everything. What we are looking at, and if we were to go back to our previous point where the combination of human intelligence and technology coming together, it very much applies to AI adoption as well. It sort of reminds me of this phrase that or a quote that I recently heard, which I'm paraphrasing, but what it says is that instead of me doing laundry and the day-to-day chores, whereas AI making poetry and building art, I would rather AI do my laundry and day-to-day chores, leaving me enough time to do poetry and art, right? And the same definitely applies to how humans are using XDR or security tooling today. So what we have done is we have taken our learnings, like I mentioned earlier, and what we've done is any workflow that the analyst needs to use on a day-to-day repetitive manner, that has been infused with AI, and we are seeing productivity of our security analyst increase by 100%. And that's what makes the outcomes that we deliver to our customers more effective, measurable, and achieve their security goals.